Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Subject Mathematics, Standard 6. Chapter number 2, Angles. First, we recall you learn what is angle in previous standard. Now, we are going to revision what is angle. Picture is shown. This is called angle. Angle is a shape formed by two lines or rays diverging from a common point is called an angle. Angles starting points name vertex and others are rays, ray 1 and ray 2. Now after we are going to learn its types. There are 7 types of angles. Names are zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and last complete angle. Now we are going to study one by one. First is zero angle. In figure, the two rays lie one upon the other. There is no change in their position. In this position, the angle between the sticks between the rays is called a zero angle. An angle measure 0 degree is called a zero angle. Second types of angle is acute angle. Now keeping one ray in place, turn the other one around as shown in the figure. Now I am going to show you practically. This is an zero angle. This is a zero angle. If I drag one ray, it is become acute angle showing in the picture. The angle formed in figure is called acute angle. It is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. If I drag and I made 40-degree angle, it is also called acute angle because it is between 0 degree and 90 degrees angle. Now all angles between 0 and 90 degree is called acute angle. The definition of acute angle is an angle greater than 0 degree. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Now this angle is acute angle because its more than 0 degree and less than 60 degree. Now we can say angle M O N is acute angle. Now right angle. So what is right angle? An angle of 90 degree is called a right angle. The angle formed in figure is called 90 degree because it is exactly on 90 degree. Now I am showing you here. If I drag and goes to exactly on 90 degrees angle, it is right angle. If I drag more than 90, it is become acute angle. If I drag more than 90, it is become obtuse angle. So exactly 90 degree, if I form exact on 90 degree, it's become right angle. Next is obtuse angle. The angle formed in figure is obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. This is right angle. If I drag more than 90, this is 100, that is obtuse angle. If I drag more and more 90 degrees, all angles are obtuse angle. If I come on 180 degree, it's become straight angle. So students, we have to memorize obtuse angle is less than 180 degree and more than 90 degree. After then, next is straight angle. If the rays is turned further in the direction shown in the figure, we get a position as in figure. An angle like this is called a straight angle. A straight angle's measures is 180 degree. Now the definition of straight angle is an angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Reflex angle. If the ray or line is turned even further as shown in the figure, we get an angle like the one in figure. This angle is greater than 180 degree. Such an angle is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So students, definition of reflex angle is an angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Now I show you practically. This is reflex angle, straight line. Exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. If I drag it shown in figure more than 180 degree, it's 190 degree, then its name reflex angle. And whole angle which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, it's called reflex angle. If I made it complete 360 degree angle and a whole angle starting from this, so whole complete whole circle, then it's become complete angle or full angle. Now students, see here, the ray in figure completes one round and comes back to its original position as shown in figure. It turned through 180 degree till it made a straight angle and 180 degree after making the straight angle, thus completing 360 degree in all. An angle made in this way is called a full or complete angle. The measures of a complete angle is 360 degree. Students, definition of straight angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 360 degree is called full angle or complete angle. So guys, you learn what is angle and what are the different types of angle. Once again I repeat, there are 7 types of angle. Those are: number 1, zero angle; number 1, zero angle; number 2, acute angle; number 3, right angle; number 4, obtuse angle; number 5, straight angle; number 6, reflex angle; and last, number 7, full or complete angle. So student, watch this video carefully. If have you any doubt, please write on comments box. Thank you.